Well, my best friend Jenny dropped by for some coffee, and she says it's cold enough in here to play hockey. So I turned up the heat and it started to spark. That's when Jen said you gotta call RosenbergAir.com. They give you full service and they never take long. Home energy makeover, I've been told, will help you when it's hot or cold. Yeah, RosenbergAir.com. They're fast and they're good, you can count on RosenbergAir.com. Rosenberg Air.